Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. We're on our way to H10 Motorcycles, who I'm pleased to announce are going to be supporting me in 2024. We're going up today to unbox and build my new bike. So yeah, really excited about that. There's going to be some really nice parts on it, and it's going to be great to get a fresh new bike as well. We're fighting the snow this morning. Can't wait to show you the new bike. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, so there we go. It's my new bike. It's 2024 GASGAS EC300, and as you can see, we've done a few things to it. So starting at the back here, we've got the SM Pro wheels, running the Midas double green rear tyre with a Nitro Mousse soft mousse in the back of it. Blocked up the holes for the valves there with some mountain bike tubeless valves. Suspension wise, we've got the WP bladder conversion on the Xact rear shock. On the front, we went for the 6500 cartridge inserts. So these bikes come with the WP Xplor that was in the bikes last year, not the Xact that the Husqvarnas have. So we've upgraded the cartridges in them to be a closed cartridge fork. And then we just set up a spring race as well. So I think there's a 4.6 Newton meter in the front and a 48 Newton meter in the rear. So yeah, coming up front then, got the Acerbis disc guard, factory hand guards. So this is running the new TBI engine as well, so should have a bit more low down grunt with it. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And yeah, that's really it. There are some things still to come for this. So we have a factory seat cover with some ribs on it to keep me on there. Got some S3 foot pegs coming as well, the down and back ones, which I've rode on my Husky, and may look at changing the bars as well. So that's really it for now. Just looking forward to riding this here, and again thanks to Philip and all the team at HTM for all their help with the new bike and getting it built, and yeah, looking forward to riding it.